I am making my Abstract Snowman soap. There are a lot of elements that went into making this soap. So you can see the first thing I'm doing is extruding out these black pieces. They are going to be the buttons for the snowman and the eyes. So I have two different sizes. The buttons are slightly bigger, which is what I'm doing now, than the eyes will be. You can also see that those blue blocks there, those are going to be the scarf element of the snowman, and that orange is going to be the nose. I will slice up pieces from it. So I've finished up the buttons and the eyes, and now I am slicing the nose. You can see that they are not perfect. I just wanted some different abstract triangle shapes, and I like the look. They're all very different, and it's neat when it's all said and done. So these were all elements I had made a couple days, the previous days I've been making them. I am slicing up the scarf here. I want it to be a little bit textured and not just completely flat, hence why I'm removing some soap to give it that textured look. I poured the hat of the snowman, which you see here, 2 days ago. So that's all set, and I have made a white batch of soap, and I'm working from upside down. So you see the hat, I just embedded the eyes, now I'm embedding the nose, and then I'm going to pour a little bit more soap, then I'm going to put the scarf down, and then finally I will add the buttons. So yeah, you have to think backwards or upside down for this. That was the best way I knew how to make this soap, and it was a little bit of a challenge thinking that way, but once I got my brain wrapped around it, it worked really well. So I did 2 loaves. The scarves have gone in. I'm adding just a little bit of white soap before I embed the buttons. So the goal is to get an abstract snowman and not a Picasso-esque snowman. I didn't quite achieve what I was going for. Yeah, it was interesting. Let's look at the cut. I am going for abstract, so we'll see. Well, I think it's somewhere in between. Not great, not awful. Let's try down here. This one's a little bit more Picasso. Our poor buttons went sideways, and his nose and eyes are a little wonky. Oh man. I wonder when those buttons went sideways. I've got about 6 bars. I mean, it's not awful. Definitely not what I was going for. Okay, here is the second loaf. Oh my word. That one is definitely Picasso. Lord. Oh. How many sideways eyes? Oh my word. That's 4 bars, 5 bars. Oh. It could be worse. 10 bars almost. And then the rest of these, the eyes are just, I don't know how they move so much considering it was all one piece. I mean, that one's not awful. Well, I most definitely have some Picasso bars and then some abstract bars. Oh my gosh, that's the best of the entire loaf. 16 bars. And that one is probably the only decent one in my opinion. Look at that! Oh my word. I mean, it doesn't even resemble a snowman. It just looks like random pieces. Definitely Picasso bar. These will get sold for significantly less than the other ones, which is a bummer that so many in this batch didn't turn out quite right. Oh well, I knew it was a risk. This design was kind of hit or miss with placing stuff, so there you have it.